video. So you guys already know I'm already in the Valentine's Day spirit. My birthday is the day after Valentine's Day, so I get very into Valentine's Day. I love Valentine's Day. I love everything pink and girly and white and nude and black and lace and red and sexy, and I just get... This is my favorite time of year. It really is. I mean, I love Christmas time, but there's just something so romantic and girly and beautiful about this time of year because everything is pink and just like all the beautiful colors I love. And I get to do really sexy, fun try-on hauls, and I just have so much stuff coming. I'm gonna try to do a lot of Valentine's Day content. I filmed a date night video, date night ideas video for Valentine's Day, so that's coming soon. So yeah, I'm really excited. So I usually don't like overdo the decorating for Valentine's Day just because it goes by so quickly, but I do like to pick up a few little things here and there to kind of spruce it up, give it a little bit of a pink vibe, because what girl doesn't want to enjoy the time of year when you can decorate with pink and red and white and all these beautiful colors? And technically it's seasonal decorations, and you guys can see I'm in the vibes, red, pink, white. I'm really trying to give you the fantasy. So without further ado, I'm going to show you guys the shop with me part first. So if you want to just see that first, keep watching. If you want to go straight to the haul, I will put the time on the video right now, where you can go head to the haul portion of the video. So yeah, come with me to shop. That was really corny. Let's go. So first I want to mention that the reason why everything is in the long form is because originally these videos were going to be for Instagram, but then I decided since I was making a shopping day of it, I should just make it into a vlog for YouTube. So you will see it go to the widescreen in a second. But first I went to Tjmaxx. It had so many cute things, guys. I was dying at the adorable like mugs and games and like amazing things. And then they also had like a lot of beautiful jewelry, heart earrings, butterfly earrings, so many cute baking supplies, straws, mugs, so many cute things. It was so hard not to buy everything. Cute this DUNN tic-tac-toe is. So it's literally like a big game that you could put like on your dining room table as decor, but then you can actually play the game as well. Super cute if you're committed to Valentine's Day decor. Really like that. And it's black and white, so you could use it all year. It's Target, and I went specifically for the bullseye section, which we always used to call the dollar spot, but guys, it's not the dollar spot anymore. Everything is $3, $5, $7 now. It is getting a little bit pricey, but the things are so cute. They had so many adorable things, specifically like party supplies. So if you were gonna have like a girls party, a Valentine's Day party for kids, anything like that, they had everything you could possibly need. They had lights, they had notes, stickers, like just so many cute things, bags, goodie bags, brunch plates. Another thing that I noticed is they had this entire section dedicated to brunch party supplies, and I was dying to buy everything because I'm like, damn, I want to throw a brunch party. I mean, honestly, I was dying. So many cute things. let's get into the haul. So from HomeGoods, I picked up this really beautiful mug. I love that this has this really cute, almost like DUNN inspired ceramic kind of vibe. You can see how it's not perfectly round. It gives it like this really cute organic look, and I love how big it is. It's really tall, so you can have a nice big cup of coffee in here, which I love. And of course, my favorite part, not only the design, but it came with its own little spoon, which I'm really getting into mugs with their own spoons. So of course, another mug. I try not to go too crazy with the mugs. I only got the ones that I felt I could really use for a long time, that I really loved. So this next set was also from HomeGoods. I believe you can find this at Tjmaxx as well. And this one I couldn't pass up. It's just so cute. First of all, they're stackable mugs, which are really trendy right now. I love the colors of this because I felt like it could be used all year. So obviously one would be for me, one would be for my husband. So it's like the perfect cup of coffee in the morning together set. And I love that it says be happy, live happy. And like I said, the colors are perfect, like seasonal for Valentine's Day, but I think this could be used all year. And you know, one for my husband, one for me in the morning. I love on the weekends when we get to have coffee together, and I like to use matching mugs. It just makes me feel very like cute, aesthetic-y. I don't know, corny, but I love it. It's a dollar spot. Well, actually, you know what, it's not really the dollar spot anymore. It's just called Bullseye's Playground, because now everything is getting really expensive in there. Things are going up to like $5, $7, $10 now. This one was $1, and it's just this cute little rubber spatula, and it's really little. You can see like next to my hand, it's not a big spatula. This is something that's more for decor, but for $1, it's really cute and simple. And so this is the thing I'm most excited about. I literally went to Tjmaxx and HomeGoods just for this, and it is these set of pink bowls. They're really cute. This super light baby pink, almost just like the prettiest shade of light pink. It pretty much is the color you're seeing on camera. It's that color in real life. Polka dots all over them. Are ceramic, and they're microwave and dishwasher safe, which is what I always look for in bowls, because not only do I want to use them for decor, and like, you know, you could use them for literally anything, but if I do want to use them for food, I know that I can pop these in the microwave. And then of course we have to get kitchen towels and things like that, so I picked up a set from the dollar, well, not the dollar spot, but the Bullseye Playground spot in Target, and this one is $3. And I love getting these. I buy a lot of these at Christmas time too, but this one I was so excited about because I love the pot holder. It's 100% cotton, and I love, I don't know if you guys can see, but it has like pink hearts all over it, and they're rubberized. So this is really gonna help you pick up your pots and pans, but also the decoration is so sweet, and it's just the prettiest light baby pink. I also picked up this set of kitchen towels from HomeGoods. I mean, how stinking cute is this? I absolutely love the donuts. It's just so pretty, so stinking cute. These are really nice heavy duty towels, and there's 2 in here, so you could definitely save one for next year. I also picked up this apron from the Bullseye spot in Target. Let me just open it. So it's an XOXO apron. This was $5, and so this is what it looks like. I love aprons when I cook. Look how cute this is. So this would be really cute if you're, like I said, if you're having like a baking cookies party or a cupcake party for Valentine's Day with your girls. I did that one year and it was so much fun. So if you're doing like a girls party, oh, it's cool. It also has Velcro. Instead of having to tie it, it just has Velcro on the top, which is really cool. So cute. So again, this would be also really sexy if you are cooking dinner for your significant other and you want to just wear nothing but this and cook. That's a great idea. So picked up this cute little set of socks from Target, and I love these socks. I always pick them up, and they are pink, white, and gray. There's 3 pairs in there. One says keeping cozy. This one is pink with snowflakes, and then this one is a pink and white. I love these socks for $3. They're so comfortable. I'm actually wearing these right now, and they come in a lot of different colors. So yeah, $3, really good deal. And then from Tjmaxx, actually no, from HomeGoods, I got these really cute little pink ramekins. And again, this is something that you could use all year. I know I will, but for this time of year, it's perfect, of course. And I want to say, if you want to get like a bunch of pink and white in like cutesy decor, this is the time to do it. $5.99 for 4 of them. They're so cute. Looks like it literally is a little mini bowl. So I like to use these when I'm cooking, baking, anything that requires a specific amount of something. So if you need a cup of flour, 2 eggs, I like to separate all my ingredients so that everything stays neat, and these are perfect for that. These will also be really good for oh, they're microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe. That's so cool. So these will be really good for serving desserts for Valentine's Day as well. Speaking of serving, I picked up this really cute appetizer tray at the Target Bullseye spot. So this is one of the pieces that this is one of the pieces that is more expensive. So this one was $7. It is dishwasher safe, but it's not microwave safe, but it is food safe. And this is an appetizer tray that says, "Let's do brunch." And I thought it was so beautiful. I love the wording is in like a metallic gold. So cute. They had a bunch of cute decor for like a brunch bar. If you were doing like a brunch party, they had like banners, towels. If you guys saw the shop with me portion, I showed you all of that. And then last but not least, I picked up this cute little hanging sign from the Target Bullseye spot. This was $3, and it's just this really cute little pink heart, 1 red heart sign that I thought would be so cute next to our little coffee station, just to give it a little more Valentine's Day vibes. So that's everything, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you do to get into the Valentine's Day spirit. Do you go out of, you know, all out for Valentine's Day? Are you tired from Christmas? You're over it? What do you do for Valentine's Day to celebrate? And don't forget, my birthday is the day after. Thank you so much. Put it in your calendar. All right. I'll see you in the next video. I love you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, stay glam, and I'll see you in the next time. I'll see you in the next time. Yeah, I'll see you next time.